Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're here, you're probably staring at that frustrating D26 error code on your Maytag dryer from 2025, wondering what's gone wrong and how to fix it. Don't worry, I'm going to walk you through everything step by step, so you can get your dryer up and running in no time. Let's dive in. First off, what exactly is the D26 error code? In Maytag dryers, D26 typically signals an issue with the moisture sensor or a communication problem between the sensor and the control board. This means your dryer might not be detecting moisture levels properly, causing it to stop mid-cycle or not start at all. It's a common glitch, but the good news is that it's often fixable with some basic troubleshooting. So, why does this happen? The most common causes include lint buildup in the sensor or vent, a faulty moisture sensor, or even loose wiring connections. Over time, dust and debris can accumulate, especially if you haven't cleaned your dryer recently. In newer models like the 2025 lineup, this error can also stem from software glitches, but we'll focus on the hardware side first. Let's get to the fixes. Start by unplugging your dryer from the power source for at least 5 minutes to reset the control board. This simple step resolves the issue about 30% of the time. Once it's reset, plug it back in and try running a cycle. If that doesn't work, grab a soft brush or vacuum and clean the lint filter and the moisture sensor area, usually located near the drum. Make sure there are no blockages in the exhaust vent, as this can trigger the error. If the problem persists, you might need to inspect the wiring. Open the dryer's panel carefully, always unplug first, and check for any loose or damaged wires connected to the sensor. If you're not comfortable with this, it's time to call in a professional to avoid any risk of injury or further damage. Remember, regular maintenance like cleaning your dryer every few months can prevent this error altogether. If you've tried these steps and still see D26, reach out to Maytag customer support or a certified technician. Thanks for watching. If this helped, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more home appliance tips. See you next time.